Okay, in this video, I will be working problem 36B, and I'm going to try to break this video into sections. We will be looking at a financial statement analysis, and this is the report for it, and it gives you the years. And then down at the bottom are the requirements. It says analyze the company's financial summary for the fiscal years 2014 through 2018 to decide whether to invest in the common stock of XYZ. Include the following sections in your analysis. So you will be doing a problem very similar to this one. So I wanted to show you how to set this up. So in the first video, we're going to do the trend analysis for net sales revenue and net income, and we're going to use 2014 as the base year. So you will look up here and get your sales revenue, these numbers up here, and then also we need the net income. So if you look back up, we will use the numbers for the net income. So you'll get those numbers off of here, and I'm going to provide you with a spreadsheet where you can just plug in all of your information. Now I have already went ahead and put in the net sales revenue and the net income from the financial statement analysis that we already had. Now what I'm going to show you is how to actually do the calculations. So for 2014, of course, what we would do to do the trend percentage, we would take the net sales revenue and divide it by the base year, which is 2014, so it will be 100%. Then for the next year, we'll do the same thing. We will do your net sales revenue divided by your base year. And you'll start seeing a trend here. And you will continue to do that. You put your equal sign. Then you click on your cell, or you can do this in a calculator. Take these net sales revenue for the year you want and divide it by the base year and get your percentage. And you keep doing this for each year. And I need to change that to a percent. And then for 2018, you will do the same thing. And if your cell is not set as a percent, just go up here and click on percent and it will fix it for you. So as you can see, we'll talk about the analysis in a second, but you can kind of see what's going on here. So now let's do the same thing for net income. Let's take our first year net income and divide it by the base year, which is 2014. And change that cell to a percent, and then do the next year. And like I said, you can do this in a calculator. The same thing if you're not comfortable with Excel, and then just type your answer into Excel. So you'll have a nice spreadsheet. Okay, so that is requirement 1. Now our analysis. Okay, let's talk about it. What is happening here with our trend percentage for our net sales revenue? It is going upward. It's increasing. Same thing with the net income percentages. So our analysis, you could say trends in net sales revenue and net income are both upward, which is positive, because we want to see these numbers going up. We would be concerned if these numbers were going down. So that is all for requirement 1. In the next video, we will look at requirement 2.